5 home remedies for sore stomach. Sore stomach, also commonly known as indigestion, is a common condition characterized by all the above symptoms. This condition is caused due to the accumulation of excessive amount of hydrochloric acid in the digestive tract and stomach, which leads to severe acidity and heartburn. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help counteract the extra acid produced in the stomach and restore the stomach's pH to its normal levels. Its usage dates back to the 18th century for relieving stomach aches and discomfort. Baking soda. Baking soda is a commonly used home remedy for indigestion. Anecdotal evidence suggests that it neutralizes the extra acid in the stomach and relieves nausea and bloating in the stomach. However, scientific studies claim that consuming baking soda in excessive can lead to cardiac problems and metabolic issues. Hence, you need to consult a healthcare provider before trying this remedy. Do not follow it without medical supervision. Bananas. Banana is easy on the stomach. It has been used traditionally to treat stomach and digestion issues. Eat a banana either before or after your meals. You can eat 2 to 3 bananas in a day. Ginger ale. Ginger ale is a carbonated drink that consists of ginger extract. Ginger can help relieve indigestion and upset stomach due to phytochemicals present in it. It may also help you burp and relieve nausea. Drink a glass of ginger ale or tea whenever you experience a sore stomach or indigestion. Chamomile tea. The phenolic compounds and terpenoids present in chamomile relax your digestive system. This tea can help relieve stomach cramps, bloating, nausea, and indigestion. It also has carminative properties and can relieve flatulence. Steep the chamomile in hot water for about 15 minutes. Strain and drink this decoction while it is warm.